Hello, my name is Josh Worley, and I'm a Social Security disability attorney in New Mexico. I've been doing this type of work for about 15 years now, and so I wanted to talk to you today about three of the most important characteristics of a successful Social Security disability claim. Know that today I'm talking specifically about Social Security disability claims, not SSI. SSI have got a little bit different characteristics, and so I'm just talking about Social Security disability today. The first thing is that you need to have worked and paid into Social Security in the past. To be entitled to disability benefits, you have to have earned enough credits to be considered insured. And that just means that you generally need to have had a pretty consistent work history in the past. That also means that you need to have worked generally 5 of the past 10 years in a full-time job. So that's one thing. The second characteristic is that you need to not be working a full-time job due to your health, because that's what you have to prove to get Social Security disability. You have to prove that you are not able to work a full-time job due to some aspect of your health. The full-time job, you can actually be working part-time and get on Social Security disability. And the easiest way to think of what is considered part-time is that you can basically be making $1,000 a month or less gross, and that is still considered to be part-time. So in theory, you can work part-time and still get Social Security disability benefits. The reality is that as you're trying to get on it, it's generally best to not be working at all. If you're working part-time, then it's pretty easy for Social Security to deny your claim, and they can easily say, okay, go work a little bit harder, reach that full-time level, and then you don't need disability benefits. So when I talk with my clients, I tell them all that my preference is that they're not working at all while we get them on benefits. Then once they're approved, then they can go find a part-time job if they'd like. And then the third characteristic is that you have to be going to a doctor or doctors, and you need medical records and medical documentation of the things that are keeping you from being able to work. That's ultimately the most important thing to get approved, is your medical documentation. So it's important that you're going to the doctor, that you're going regularly. It's really helpful if you're going to specialists, and it's helpful if you've got specific diagnostic tests that have been done. Like if you've got a back injury, that's an MRI is critical, but specific documentation is really important. So those are 3 of the most important characteristics that I've seen. If you'd like to visit with me or my office, then you can certainly call us, or you can visit our website. The website is www.idlawcenter.com, or the phone number is 575-300-4000.